Welcome to Trillium Financial Broker. If you are beginner in Forex market, so this video is for you. What is Forex? Forex market is just like any other market, where instead of foods and goods, people trade currencies. What is Forex broker? Anyone can trade on Forex, but it is only accessible through mediators called brokers. Basically, broker is your hands on Forex, which provides you with the access to the market. What is the currency pair? Currencies on the market are traded in pairs. For example, the euro and the US dollar. Want to buy euro for dollars? Open the euro-US dollar trade and press to buy dollars for euro. Do the same and choose sell. It's simple. Just remember that your action always refers to the first currency of the pair. How to make money on Forex? People would buy a currency pair at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. And their income is the difference between the buy and the sale price. Broker gets a low commission from your trades called spread. For example, let's assume that you have $100 on your trading account and want to trade euro-US dollar and its exchange rate is 1.25, which means that for 1 euro you get 125. USD exchange rate is like a price tag at the grocery store. The only difference is that the price tags on Forex are changing all the time. Then you make a forecast. For example, you believe that euro will rise versus the US dollar. Next, you buy 80 euros for your $100 and wait for the exchange rate to change. Let's imagine it rose from 1.25 to 1.26. It is a profitable situation for you, so you can close the trade at this point. Now you can exchange your 80 euro back to $108 and get your profit of $8. If you think this amount of money isn't worth bothering, there's great news. Your broker can help you make much more money with a special tool called leverage. Leverage is funds you borrow from your broker to multiply your deposit. For example, if you used the leverage of 1,000 to 300 at Trillium Financial Broker for a similar trade from the previous example, you would get $400 with just one trade. So you invest $100 and trade $300,000. Not bad, right? Just remember, higher profit involves higher risk. So risk management is an important part of trading. How to make forecast, and the last question is how do traders know what currency pairs to trade, and when to buy or sell them? Currency rate depends on its supply and demand, which may change depending on the economic situation of the country. GDP, inflation, the labor market situation, etc. This is why political, economic, and social phenomena that influence local economy also influence currency rates. Learning how these factors influence profitability is the key to Forex trading. There are two major tools that indicate the best moment to buy or sell. Fundamental analysis? It is all about following economic news in different countries. For example, you see that Canadian unemployment rate declined, which means that the Canadian dollar will rise. Sell US dollar, Canadian dollar, and just wait. A likely situation happened on January 5, 2018. Canadian unemployment rate fell and USD fell to C80 from 125 to 126, trading $100 with 1 to 500 leverage. A trader could have made a profit of 500 plus. Graphic analysis? You can use currency rate charts to make forecast. The pattern on the graph can tell you what to do. Let's review the simplest and most popular head and shoulders pattern. It consists of 3 peaks that make a head and 2 shoulders. When all 3 peaks are formed, draw a neckline through the lows that were formed by all 3 peaks. After that, measure a distance from the head peak to the neckline. It is an approximate distance that the pair will go down from the neckline. The head and shoulders pattern is a strong signal to sell. Luckily, you don't need to have a degree in finance to master it. Trillium Financial Broker has an exceptional section of educational and analytical materials explaining how to act when prices go up or down in simple terms. Find more video tutorials at the TFB social media accounts.